I am on a journey toward emotional well-being. I release past hurts and welcome new joy. My emotions are a guide, not a curse. I am worthy of emotional peace and happiness. I forgive myself and others, freeing my heart. My healing is already in progress. I embrace the lessons that emotions bring. It's okay to feel. It's okay to heal. I am patient with myself in my emotional journey. Love and compassion fill my soul. I am resilient, overcoming emotional hurdles. I accept all feelings as part of the human experience. I surround myself with emotional positivity. Emotional wounds are just stepping stones to a better me. I'm strong enough to face my emotions head on. Each day I grow emotionally stronger. I nourish my soul with kindness and understanding. I have the power to heal and transform. My emotional well-being is my priority. I am gentle with myself as I navigate emotions. I take emotional care as seriously as physical care. I am learning to balance my emotional life. I release emotional blocks that hold me back. I focus on what I can control, my emotional response. My emotional state improves with each positive thought. I'm building an emotionally fulfilling life. Emotional healing is a journey I willingly embrace. I replace emotional pain with peace and love. I honor my emotional self and respect my feelings. committed to healing for my own well-being. I am learning to manage my emotions wisely. My capacity for healing is greater than any wound. I release negative emotions and embrace peace. I am not my past. I am my present and future. My feelings are valid and worth understanding. My emotional self is nurtured by love and joy. The more I heal, the more I grow. I am grateful for the emotional strength I've gained. Emotional freedom is within my reach. I'm emotionally equipped to handle life's challenges. My emotional state is under my control. I let go of emotional baggage that weighs me down. Healing is not linear. And that's perfectly fine. I am in charge of my emotional destiny. Every challenge is an opportunity for emotional growth. I embrace my emotions but do not let them rule me. Emotional healing is a form of self-love. I have the emotional strength to overcome anything. I am learning emotional intelligence every day. I am more than my emotions. I am a whole being. I'm emotionally available for myself and others. I use my emotional experiences as learning tools. Healing emotionally is healing holistically. I am emotionally balanced and focused. I am always in the process of emotional growth. Emotional setbacks do not define me. I allow myself to feel in order to heal. I'm emotionally liberated from past limitations. My emotional insights serve my higher purpose. I handle my emotions with grace and wisdom. I'm the curator of my emotional well-being. Emotional richness adds depth to my life. I value emotional honesty in myself and others. I am willing to work through emotional complexities. I appreciate the emotional journey as part of my growth. My emotional landscape is fertile ground for healing. I am capable of emotional renewal and transformation. Emotional healing enhances every aspect of my life. My emotions are stepping stones to a higher understanding. I have the emotional stamina to endure and thrive. Emotional challenges are simply opportunities for growth. I give myself the emotional support I need. I validate my own emotional experiences. Emotional pain is just a signal for needed change. I am responsible for my emotional well-being. I have an emotional toolkit for life's ups and downs. I'm in the process of emotional evolution. I celebrate my emotional victories, big or small. Emotional healing starts with acceptance and love. I am emotionally empowered to live authentically. I am emotionally self-sufficient, yet open to help. My emotional journey enriches my life's narrative. I transform emotional pain into wisdom. Emotional wellness is my natural state. I replace emotional fear with limitless love. I invest in emotional self-care practices. I am capable of incredible emotional resilience. I am thankful for the emotional growth I've achieved. Emotional healing is my birthright, and I claim it now.